Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have been wondering how can you see friends' old stories on Instagram, then you're in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. All you need to do is to follow up with me till the very end of this video so that you make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it. Now of course, since we're going to be using the Instagram mobile application, we need to go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on. Find Instagram from there, as you can see guys right here. Make sure there is no update button. That means you have the app up to date so that everything works properly in the app. After that, you can quit the store, and of course from here we head out to the Instagram application. So just tap on it to open it. And of course you have to be logged in to your account right here, and you have to be following the account you want to see the old stories of, especially if they are private. Now you can go ahead and find that profile. Just tap right in the bottom right corner, and if you're following them, as I said, you can tap on your following list and you can find them here. So again, if this account is private, you have to be following them in order for you to see the stories. Now if the account is public, or even you're following them, as I said, you can just go to their profile, and as you can see guys, within the profile, this is the feature called highlights. So most people keep their old stories here. It is very easy. From here, just tap on the highlight, and as you can see guys in the top, this story was literally uploaded more than a year ago. So this is September 2020, and this is now October 2023. So it's been more than a year for this story, and you can see it without a problem. And you can do that to every single story on the highlights. And that is basically guys how can you see old stories on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them, and of course subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.